Don't blink, because today I'm going to show you how to save money or even get paid monthly without any effort. I know what you're thinking. That's impossible. This video won't take much of your precious time. So have patience and listen to me for the next 5 minutes, and I will teach you the secret of saving money every month. The secret is around you, embracing you 24/7, and it's free, completely free. It moves sailing ships forward. It cools you down in hot summer evenings, and its gentle breeze makes you feel free. You already know, right? First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Robert J. Cox, and I'm a 47-year-old aviation engineer. Today, I'm going to share with you the story that changed my life for the better. It started 2 years ago, but I remember it as if it was yesterday. It was a Friday night. I love to read and stay informed, so every night before going to sleep, I stay up a bit longer and surf over the internet. That time I was upset. That was the day when my electric bill arrived. Month after month, I was paying more and more to my power supplier. I haven't bought any new electronic devices for my house, so I was just trying to figure out why my electric bill is growing. I couldn't find any explanation, but I had to do something. First thing you need to do is identify holes in budget. I knew where I was losing money. The electric company was squeezing it from my pocket. The culprit was clear, so I had to act fast. I'm an ambitious man, so I had to count my options here. Hours later, surfing on the internet, I found solar panels. After researching and calling the suppliers, I got a price. $15,000. How will I get this money? I don't have this much to invest. This is not my getaway solution. One solution was the sun, expensive one. Therefore, I had to try something else. I don't have a river to build myself a hydraulic power station, so I started researching about wind. You know, generally speaking, wind is the flow of gases. On the surface of the earth, wind means bulk movement of air. Wind is caused by differences in atmospheric pressure. When such differences take place, air is moving from the higher to the lower pressure area, resulting in currents of various speeds. Humankind was using wind power since antiquity, and it's never going to get exhausted. It's unlimited and it's free, so nobody can charge me from using it. This is my way out. I started researching to buy a wind power turbine, but I got the same cost, almost $15,000. What shall I do? I know what to do. I will build one myself. Being an aviation engineer, I easily understood the system. After 3 days of working on sketches and projects, I found the perfect solution, easy and cheap. I went to my local store, bought all the materials and parts, and began building it. By dinner time, I was done. It's an easy system, so I didn't have any problems building it. I powered up the living room and the bathroom. The days have passed, and I forgot about my invention. All that month, me and my family were using the energy from my invention, and we didn't feel any difference. Next month, my new electric bill arrived. I managed to cut it by 35%. Yoo-hoo, I said. Next morning, 2 guys came to my door. They were from the electric company. They inspected my meter. They thought I somehow managed to steal the electricity from them. Ha! I showed them my device, and they ran away quickly. My neighbor Steve saw the man, and I explained to him what happened. He's dealing with the same problem as I had all these years. Next weekend, Steve and I began building a new system, this time for his home. Like my first project, by dinner time, we finished it. Good news travels fast, so by the end of the month, all my neighbors installed my system. I was feeling good. I helped out many people, but that was not enough. One Sunday, coming back from church, pissed off by the company, I decided to help everyone. So I created this easy DIY manual designed for everybody to understand, build, and take advantage of my system. Now introducing Double FB. An easy and simple device will help you save money every month for the rest of your life. I have been using it for over 2 years now, and believe me, I don't feel any difference. The only difference is in my pocket. And it's not only me. I am talking about 47,000 people that are already using my system at this very moment. I designed the DIY manual to be easy to understand and build, and you won't have any problems following it. You will have the device up and running in a matter of hours. Here's just a sample of what you will find inside. Where to obtain necessary parts for the project. How to make the system in just a few hours, even if you have two left hands. How to scale up the system and even power up the whole house. Some common mistakes and the easy way to prevent them. No other DIY expert pays attention to it. How to store your excess electricity and even sell it back to the grid for a profit. Nearly 47,000 people from all over the world use this system. That many people just can't be wrong. Here are some of the messages I received from my followers. I got my own power. It cost me less than $200. For many years, I was sickened by the high electricity prices, yet they're going up every single year. Thinking of how I can start reducing my dependence on the grid, I started researching. After many years, I finally found Double FB. Following their thorough how-to guide, I got my first own power station. Now I really feel like converting my entire home to renewable energy in the nearest future. Mike Smith, California. I got electricity far away from the grid. Not so long ago, I bought perfect land in the desert far away from the city. There was only one problem. No grid. So no electricity at all. I was frustrated, not knowing what to do. Thank God one of my friends told me about freeforceblast.com. Their easy step-by-step manual allowed me to power up my distant site. Now I have enough electricity to run my everyday tasks. Peter Williams, Arizona. Double FB really works. My electric bill was slashed by a freaking 50%. What can I say about Double FB? It really works. Now, while looking at my electric bill, I can't help smiling. I hefted by 50% in the first month alone. My only regret is that I didn't know of Double FB until now. Could save thousands of hard-earned dollars that went to my energy supplier. Alex Richardson, Texas. I was surprised that going green can also save my money. I have always wanted to find a real way to combat global warming and massive pollution. Double FB helped me to find such a way. Every day, using my own green electricity, I know that my efforts help make the planet better. Surprisingly enough, 4 weeks later, I realized that going green also saved me money in the end. Go figure. Michelle Conroy, New York. Now I'm looking forward to make the power company pay me. For many years, I was trying to save money on my electricity bills. No luck. Greedy power tycoons boost power prices every year. Their philosophy is simple. You either pay or live like you're in the Stone Age. Luckily, I found your product, which was exactly what I was looking for all this time. In the first month, I achieved a 70% reduction on my monthly grid consumption. With an idea of scaling, soon my power supplier will pay me instead. You have my eternal gratitude. Thank you. John Kingery, Kansas. Other things you should know. The system does not pollute the environment. It's 100% eco-friendly product. Doesn't require gas. Doesn't require oil. It's portable. You can move it wherever you want. Free future updates. Okay, by now you should know it's in your power to do it. There's no time to be wasted. You need to start right now, and we need to clarify one more thing. How much is it going to cost you to access Double FB Guide today? If I'd put a price, according to all my efforts applied, I'd say it would be more than $1,000. Obviously, I won't charge you that much. I won't even charge you $400, not even $200. For a limited period of time, I'm going with $49 instead of $100. It's nothing compared to how much you're going to get. You need to act now because very soon this amazing offer will expire. Click on the Add to Cart button below. Additionally, you'll get special bonuses even if you act today. Moreover, your investment is 100% satisfaction guaranteed or money back. No questions asked. If you aren't 100% happy with Double FB for any reason at all, just contact us and we will immediately refund you all the money you invested. This is the most honest way to conduct business. You have nothing to lose, but so much to gain. It's your constitutional right to claim your energy independence, so don't pass up this amazing offer. Learn how to access the rebates and incentives right now. P.S. If you haven't clicked the Add to Cart button to get started, think about this. The faster you jump on this free ride, the faster you're going to save money. Not just this week, but next week, next month, and next year.